the doctor. I said, I'm feeling kinda rough. Let me break it to you, son. Your shit's fucked up. I said, my shit's fucked up. Well, I don't see how. He said, the shit that used to work won't work now. I had a dream, ah shucks, oh well. Now it's all fucked up, it's shot to hell. Yeah, my shit's fucked up. It has to happen to the best of us. The rich folks suffer like the rest of us. It'll happen to you. That amazing grace sort of passed you by. You wake up every day and you start